Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to talk about the camera on Nokia Lumia 6110. We are going to review the camera quality. We will show you some of the pictures which we have taken using the camera. So let's start. First of all, we will locate the camera shortcut, which is here. So this is how the camera interface looks like. This is the default camera interface on Nokia Lumia 6110. This is a Windows Phone 7. It is running right now Tango update from Nokia, which is Windows 7.8. Windows 7.8. If we go through the options on this camera interface, here we have the option to toggle to the video mode. Now we are in the photo mode. This is how you can zoom in. So let me just place an object so that we can have a complete perspective about the overall looks of the camera, so that we can have a complete overview of the camera. So this is a mouse. Okay. So this is how we can zoom. This does have tap to focus, as well as you can take the pictures. You just need to tap on the screen on the object which you want to capture using the camera, and it will focus and take the picture for you. If we just show you this picture, so it has focused properly in this particular image. You can read the Logitech word in the image. However, if you zoom into the image, the picture is much more grainy. This phone has a 5 megapixel camera at the back with an LED flash. It doesn't have a front facing camera for video calling. And the picture quality, let me just go through to the camera again. And the overall picture quality which you see is quite okay, not very good as you would like it to be. We can show you some of the pictures which we have captured using the camera on this phone. This is one picture which we took moments ago. So the overall quality of the image is quite okay, but it is not very sharp, and the picture looks very grainy when you zoom in, even on the phone screen. This is another image which we captured. You can have a look and find out the overall, you can get an idea about the overall quality of the picture which you are going to capture using the 5 megapixel camera on this phone. The detailing of the object in the pictures is quite okay, that you can actually read the minute text. If you have captured an object and it has some text on it, you can actually view the object in complete detail. So these are some shots which we captured using the camera. Apart from this, if we want to go and find out the camera settings, here you can tap on the gear icon over here, and then it will reveal all the settings on the camera. So here you have the settings, save settings, the restore default settings option. Here you have the smart group shot feature, in which it will take multiple shots of your group image, and then you can select any one of them which could be the best image as per you. You can have an action shot. This you can turn on if you want to capture an object which is running very fast, or any moving object if you want to capture. Then you can also take a panorama shot. You can also use a self timer to take a self shot. Then you have different scenes, which is right now auto, and you can set these scenes to be all these beach, candlelight, macro, landscape, night mode, portrait mode. Then we have the white balance. You can control the exposure value as well. You can control the ISO, which is right now auto. You can also apply different effects on the images when you take the photo using the camera on this phone. Then you can also change the focus mode to macro mode in case you are capturing some objects from a very close distance. Then you can change the mode to the macro mode. So the overall options which are there in the camera on this phone are pretty good, but the overall camera quality on this phone is quite average, not very high, but still it is much better than any other budget Android devices or any other phone which you have in this segment. This phone comes for around 12,000 Indian rupees, and still you can, that is the MRP of the phone, still you can get this phone for much lower price by bargaining at your nearby Nokia priority dealer. So that's all from us regarding the camera on this phone, which is a 5 megapixel camera with an LED flash, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Thank you.